Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today I'm going to talk about how to start your own junk company. So if you can see behind me, I've acquired a lot of junk. Some people say it's junk, I say it's treasures, but I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need to start your own junk removal company. So here's the video. So the first thing you're going to need is a truck. Now a truck can range anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000. I mean, you can go up to $30,000 if you're trying to get like a dump truck, but just a regular pickup truck is what you need. I prefer an 8-foot pickup truck bed. So I'm going to show you guys the truck I just picked up. It's a Dodge Ram 1500 and it's got an 8-foot pickup truck bed on it, but it actually has a toolbox on it. I'm going to remove that toolbox and then I have more space in the back to haul stuff. So my rule of thumb is a 6-foot bed I charge like $100, a 8-foot bed I charge $150. Now it varies if they have oil or all tires or something, you're going to charge a different price, but just normal household trash, $150 per truckload. So other things you're going to need after you purchase your truck is you're going to need some straps to strap down your loads. You're going to need a sledgehammer, and you're going to need a furniture dolly or an appliance dolly, whatever one you prefer. So I buy the truck for $1,500 and probably spend another $100 in straps, tarps, sledgehammer, dolly, and then you're ready to start moving trash. After you establish yourself and get a few jobs, you're gonna be able to pay off your initial costs very quickly if you're running, I don't know, 2 jobs a day. So after that, what you're gonna wanna do is get a trailer. So I would get a trailer that's a 5x8 because it's the same size as your pickup truck, and then now you're charging $150 to load your trailer up as well. So now every time you go out, it's gonna be $300 a load. So easy way to make money. It's not a hard business to start. It doesn't have a big startup fee like some of these other companies, and sometimes you get good stuff that you can resell as well. So you're gonna get your price that you charge them, and you're gonna get a price of additional cash for the things that you can sell. So it's a great way to make some extra money. And I mean, I could start this whole company up with like $1,600. It's not probably that hard to get a loan for $1,600, or if you got a family member who's got some money, just run it by them. But yeah, so if you want to see more videos like this, or if you have any questions, don't forget to comment and like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and go out there and start your own junk company.